Hello everyone, my name is Nitin and today we are going to learn how we can count the number of drop down items. For example, if we look at the date, there are 30 days in a month. Let's say a particular month it has 30 days, and if we count it, it should give us 30 because the drop down must be consisting the number 30. So we will see it with the example. Let me open the Facebook. Okay, so this is the drop down. How many? Okay, so 31 are there. From 1 to 31 means 31, and day also is there. This item is also there, which will be counted in the date section. So date drop down has 31 plus 1, 32. So we will create the automation which will give us the exact count in a particular drop down. Okay, sounds interesting? Okay, so what we'll do is we'll open the browser and we'll do our automation in Facebook only, which I just showed you. So I have taken a flowchart, so let's do it in flowchart. So I'll open browser. So I think you all must be aware of it. We will paste the link of Facebook. We want to open one browser, so we took the activity open browser, and here we will enter the URL and we will press double quotes, right? Okay, so now to count the drop down items, we have to use one activity, which is find children activity. You must have wondered that how we use this find children activity. So today I'm going to tell you that how we can use this activity. Take find children activity. We will indicate element inside the browser. We'll click here and we will give the reference of this one. Okay, so now whatever number of items are there in this drop down, we will store it in some variable by coming to this output, pressing Control K, and let's say ABC. Okay, so I've given the name ABC to this. So the number of items are stored in ABC variable. Now to check whether our activity is giving us the correct result or not, I'll take the message box activity to see whether this robot is created properly or not. So here I will give the reference of the variable which I just created, right? So whatever data is stored here, it will come in this variable, and what I want to do is now to count. So I'll give count dot to string. Okay, so all the validation errors have gone away. I'll save it and I will see. I will close this. Okay, now I will see whether my program is running fine or not. The internet is a bit slow, so please bear with the internet. Okay. Oh, so it has opened Internet Explorer, not Google Chrome, and I created the robot in Google Chrome. Okay, let's see how it runs in Internet Explorer. Okay, it gives the error open browser, cannot communicate with Internet Explorer browser. Okay, I will change the browser type to Chrome, and then I will see whether it is running properly or not. Okay, now Chrome. Internet is a bit problem. So we can see here that the robot is running. Okay, it comes here and it's still running. Okay, fine. So it gives us 32. As I told you that 31 days. Okay, 31 days plus this one. So I hope you understood the count of items in drop down. So if you have liked this video and you have learned something, so please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.